Hey everyone, today we're diving into one of the most significant events in modern history, the Nuremberg Trials. These trials took place right here in Nuremberg, Germany, from 1945 to 1946, and they were groundbreaking for many reasons. Now picture this. World War II had just ended, and the world was coming to terms with the horrors unleashed by the Nazi regime. The Allies, mainly the United States, United Kingdom, Soviet Union, and France, decided that the leaders of this regime had to face justice. But how? They couldn't just sweep this under the rug or allow mob justice to prevail. They needed a fair legal process. So they set up the International Military Tribunal in Nuremberg, a city with symbolic significance, where the infamous Nuremberg laws had been enacted. 24 of the highest-ranking Nazi leaders were brought to trial. Among them were Hermann Göring, Rudolf Hess, and Joachim von Ribbentrop. These men faced serious charges: crimes against peace, war crimes, and crimes against humanity. Crimes against peace included planning and waging wars of aggression. War crimes covered the brutal treatment of prisoners of war and civilians. And crimes against humanity? Well, that encompassed the genocide and mass atrocities committed during the Holocaust. The trials were intense. Evidence was presented in the form of documents, eyewitness testimonies, and even films shot by the Nazis themselves. The defendants had their day in court, with lawyers and all, but the evidence was overwhelming. Verdicts were delivered on October 1, 1946. 12 of the defendants were sentenced to death, including Göring, though he took his own life before his execution. Others received long prison terms, while a few were acquitted. These sentences marked a milestone in international law, establishing the precedent that individuals could be held accountable for such heinous acts, regardless of their rank or position. The Nuremberg trials were more than just a series of court cases. They were a statement to the world that justice could prevail, even in the aftermath of immense darkness. They laid the groundwork for future international courts and tribunals, reminding us that the pursuit of justice is a continuous global effort. So there you have it. The Nuremberg trials, a pivotal moment in history that reshaped our understanding of justice and accountability. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more deep dives into history. Until next time, stay curious.